for the annual day celebrations. I welcome everyone with all my pleasant greetings, and I wish the celebrations make you smile and cheer up with full of joy and entertainment.
Now, I request Abhinav, Mukta,
The annual day speech. Give a big round of applause.
My name is Abhinav. I am studying in senior KG in my school. My school is beautiful, vast and airy with pit playground. I have my school teaches us good manners, discipline and keenness. We celebrate all as a neighbor. A school with the age of I am my school because I understand here. Good morning everyone. Welcome to One and All. My name is Mukta. Today we are here to be celebrating our school annual day program. I am so happy to see you together here. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope you will enjoy the program and our performances. Have a great day. Have a good time. Thank you for joining us. A very pleasant good morning to one and all. Kids LB Nagar takes the privilege of welcoming you all for this 13th annual day celebrations. As we all have gathered here to mark the celebration of this day. Our friends, teachers put up a lot of effort to conduct this program. I hope you all will enjoy. We the tiny children expect nothing but a big round of applause before and after every performance. We would like to say thanks to our director, sir, ma'am, teachers, attendants, drivers, and security for putting their efforts to complete our feat successfully. For I request you to wait and watch our graduation ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Every human being has some good qualities. Every lamp that you light is symbolic of this. By lighting the lamp of wisdom in you, you light up the landed values and by acquiring knowledge. Now we have light lampening ceremony. I would like to request Manish to welcome our director Banu sir with a bouquet. Parents, give a big round of applause.
Now I would like to request Jeevika Valli to welcome our principal Sirisha ma'am with a bouquet. To sing a beautiful shlokas while lampening the light from Rishika, Joshna, Manashvi, Pramoksha, Mokshita, Aradhya, Vibhisha, Advika, Anvita.
Come children.
Come children.
I request parents to encourage the children.
Give them a big round of applause. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Wow, children, it gives brightness and motivation of positivity of good. Now, I would like to invite Banu sir to give a valuable speech.
To the world, you may be the person. To the person, you may be the world. And that world of yours is here when you be there with your children. A very good morning to all the parents. With immense pleasure, we welcome you all to the annual day celebrations. We appreciate your participation and cooperation in all the events which we do, and your esteemed presence here will make us feel proud. How are you all, parents? Come on, parents, show some excitement. How are you all? Are you all excited? Are you all looking forward to show your excitement to your children? Okay, even your children are also very much excited to show what they have practiced to you. And I want all of you to carry the same excitement till the end of the show. And one more thing, parents, I request each and every parent not to leave after your respective kids' performance is over. Please stay till the end of the program and witness how much courage these young children are putting on themselves to come forward and showcase their talent to you. You have to appreciate for that. So I request each and every one of you to kindly stay till the end of the program and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. You can go home with the memories that you have cherished here. And I'm pretty much sure that your kids are going to rock the day for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, it's time to know about our school annual report time. Now, I would like to request Sirisha ma'am to share our school annual report for our respectful audience. Give her a big round of applause.
Good morning, my dear parents. How are you all? See, we expect our kids to sing such a loud rhymes and sorry, slokas, you are not even, I'm not audible. It is not audible to me. How are you all doing today? Okay. So, good morning, everybody. A warm welcome to all the parents, grandparents, and family members who have come here to witness the annual day of our little children who are really very excited to show you how well they have been practicing the dances and everything from all these 1.5 months' time. Now, today we gathered here to celebrate the successful completion of this academic year 2019-20. So, our students have really learned a lot. When 1 year back, they were not like this. This year, they were something else. And next year, it is something else. So, this year, they have gathered so much of knowledge in different concepts what we have been teaching them in the school. And then we have so many activities for each and every concept we teach them. I know how much you also supported in, making us do all those programs. I really thank our teachers who are the actual support for all these students to make this happen, because without them, this wouldn't have been possible. So I really want all the parents to once heartily appreciate all our teachers who put in all the efforts to make your kids like this today. Thank you so much, parents. And from our side, Kidzi will wholeheartedly appreciate and thank all the parents for supporting your kids in making this happen. And you have supported us all the way. Whatever we have asked you, you have done that. And we are very much happy. And we are expecting the same support throughout all the years further. So when it comes to teaching in Kidzi, academics in Kidzi is really very strong. When compared to any other preschool, Kidzi got a different structure where it gives a hands-on learning experience to each and every child. So we have early childhood learning process by which child will develop a different learning experience. They go through this multiple intelligence model where they'll have a chance to experience each and everything. Like say, for example, sometimes they'll have to sing, they have to dance, they have to read, they have to, do some projects. And it is like an all-round development which we make for students here in Kidzi. So I really thank all the parents for taking this decision in putting your kids in Kidzi. Thank you so much, parents, for that. Here, as you already know, we have different themes which we do for each and every month. As per that, we also conduct some activities and events, and we also do some festival celebrations as per the Kidzi norms. So now, I would like to share with you our annual report. Now, you will be mesmerized to see what your kids have been doing all this year. I request you to play the video. This is from one of our Kidsy branches, Kottapet. Now we are going to play the events and activities of our Green Hills branch. So how is it, parents? How did you like it? Isn't it really nostalgic moment for you that your kids have done so much throughout the year? So I know you are very surprised to see that, is it so? Is it our kid that they did so much? So this is what we have done throughout the year, and we thought we'll share it with you at a glimpse. Hope you have enjoyed it thoroughly. So now I think it's time to start our event further. Thank you so much, parents. Please stay till the end of the program, because we are not going to open the doors if you are leaving in middle. Please stay till the end of the program. Encourage each and every child. You know what? We are doing it for all of you. We request you to stay back and watch the program and then only leave. Thank you so much. Hope you like the event.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's very good time to know about our school annual report, and also we are very happy on knowing our school achievements. Now it's time to begin our Little Champs performances. I hope you all are enjoy this occasion. Now I would like to request to perform a welcome dance by our Little Champs. Give them a big round of applause.
Parents, you have to keep clapping, otherwise they'll not dance for you. I'm not seeing any energy from your side. How will they perform for you? Tell me. I want you to always keep clapping, clapping, clapping for this half day. Otherwise, you kids, we are not going to perform for them, right?
We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day, we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration.
Wow, what a warm welcoming from our little stars. It's very good to see our children to welcoming us. Thank you, Advika, Datri, Arush, Vedanshi, Shvikriti, Chaitra, Megha, Advika, Anvika, Pranaytej, Vibhisha, Kanishka, Anish, Gargeyi, Anika, Lakshmi Jayanti. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you, children. Now we have nursery children performance on song Dhimi Dhimi. Now I like to call nursery students Varnika, Sanvi, Adya, Aditi, Satviki, Sahasra, Hakshira, Kriti, Hashvita, Snehansh, Kian, Arush, Rutvik to tap their feet with the song Dhimi Dhimi. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Please encourage the children.
चांदनी रात में गोरी के साथ में आसमान में
Clap, children. Clap, parents.
धीमे 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 सेट मेरा सीना 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 गोरी तू बड़ा शर्माती है तुझको शर्म क्यों आती है कातिल तेरी निगाहें है तू काट गले जले जाती है तुझ में नशा है तू बिल्कुल अफीम है धीमे 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 सेट मेरा सीना 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 मेरा छूके निकला बदन पे तेरे फिसला लफ्ज मेरे होंठ से छू ले मैं तो तुझे देख के पिघला अगन में जली है जली है जली कम सन कली है कली है कली तुझे बस छूना है छू मिसरी की डली है डली है डली तेरा हुस्न तो सबसे आला है मुझे पागल करने वाला है आज नशा तेरा करके तेरा आशिक मरने वाला है सच सच बोल हकीकत या ये डरी मैं धीमे 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 सेट मेरा सीना 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 गोरी तू बड़ा शर्माती है तुझको शर्म क्यों आती है कातिल तेरी निगाहें है तू काट गले जले जाती है तुझ में नशा है तू बिल्कुल अफीम है धीमे 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 सेट मेरा सीना 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 मेरा छूके निकला बदन पे तेरे फिसला लफ्ज मेरे होंठ से छू ले मैं तो तुझे देख के पिघला अगन में जली है जली कम सन कली है कली तुझे बस छूना है छू मिसरी की डली है डली तेरा हुस्न तो सबसे आला है मुझे पागल करने वाला है आज नशा तेरा करके तेरा आशिक मरने वाला है सच सच बोल हकीकत या ये डरी मैं धीमे 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 सेट मेरा सीना 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 गोरी तू बड़ा शर्माती है तुझको शर्म क्यों आती है कातिल तेरी निगाहें है तू काट गले जले जाती है और तुझ में नशा है तू बिल्कुल अफीम है धीमे 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 सेट मेरा
Wow, it's an amazing performance by our little kids. Once again, give them a big round of applause.
Great children. Now we have group photo with the nursery children. Thank you, children.
Now, the next performance, I would like to request nursery students Sanvi, Anvika, Arush, Shreya, Vedanshi, Megha, Charit, Anika, Jainavi to perform on Mukkala Mukkala song. Give them a big round of applause.
Mukkala Mukkala is a famous song of... Okay, parents, these children are ready with the dance for song Mukkala Mukkala.
You can also dance if you want along with your children. You also can dance along with your children.
आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा मुक्काला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला मैं हुआ तेरा मजनू तू बन जा मेरी लैला आज चलेगा जादू तेरा मेरा पहला पहला
कि ये तेरी बातें डरता है मेरा जिया तू ही बता दे सारा क्या है इरादा तेरा
इनको संभाले तू हीरो मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा
तेरी ही बातों ने तो मुलाकातों ने जीना मुझसे मेरा है जिया
मुक्काला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला आया हूँ आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे दूंगा उसे जहाँ से मिटा मुक्काला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
Not yet finished. Clap, parents. Wow, great and energetic performance by nursery children. Now, again we have one more performance by nursery children. I would like to call upon stage the nursery students Pranavi, Tanvi, Nainika, Nihira, P. Varshita, Lakshmi Sahasra, Homeshwar, Vaishal Yadav, Shripad, Dhruv, Satya, Sayansh for the energetic performance song 10 Bahane Karke Le Gaye Dil.
Give them a big round of applause.
Yeah, here we go again. Authentic, original, and better than our right. Trendset, heartbreak, going it back to Vishal and Shaker. Here now, here now. Everybody put your hands up in here now, here now, here now. Everybody put your hands right up in here.
उसकी आँखों में बातें, बातों में जादू.
Here now, here now. Here now, here now.
उसकी आँखों में बातें, बातों में जादू. जादू में खो गए हम, हो गए बेकाबू. I looked at you, you looked at me, और हो गई मुश्किल. And you became my destiny. तू ही मेरी मंजिल. 10 बहाने, 10 बहाने, 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल.
Come on, children!
ये दिल तो पहले ऐसा नहीं था. किसने बहकाया ऐसा सपना दिखाया क्यों? ये आंखें मेरी देखे उसी को, सोचे बिना ही उसे अपना बनाया क्यों? जीना तो मरने से अब है कहीं मुश्किल. खुद को जो खोया तो वो हो गया हासिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल.
She better like a fire.
जाने हुआ है क्या, मैं तो हो गई लापता, लापता. तूने न जाने क्या जादू किया है, क्या पता,
Magic, baby.
क्या पता. I looked at you, you looked at me, और हो गई मुश्किल. And you became my destiny, तू ही मेरी मंजिल.
10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके
Everybody put your hands up in here now, here now, here now. Everybody put your hands right up in here now, here now.
Kindly informing that please take your children that who are in nursery. Then we can continue our joyful performances.
Paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor, makes the place tidy, makes the place tidy. Make them up, pick them up. Are you scribbling?
Now we start with senior KG performance.
Request Vibhisha, Advika, Lakshmi Jayanti, Anish, Pranay Tej, Kanishka, Chaitra to perform on rhymes recitation. Give them a big round of applause.
Mary had a little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, with a harness school. And Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, Mary went to lamb, I should to go. His father got to school Monday, school Monday, school Monday. His father got to school Monday. His father is the road. Mary children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Mary children laugh and play. Shillalama school, Shillalama school. I am special. I am special. If you look, you will see someone very special. Someone very special. Because it's me. Because it's me.
Thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Now we have senior KG performance first class song. I request senior KG students Shaista Naz, Manasvi, Pramoksha, Ishita, Aradhya, Rudransh, Manish, Namrat, Nagavidit, Nihal, Shreyansh to perform on the Murdley song first class and slow motion. Good start, children.
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली। मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली, जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली। मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा, थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, हाँ कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। आज की शाम लगे पिक्चर का सीन कोई, मैं हीरो जैसा और तू हीरोइन कोई। स्टोरी कहाँ कहाँ से ओ घूम घाम के आ गई मोशन में। आज डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के ओशन में, स्लो
मोशन में आजा डूब जाऊं तेरी आंखों के रोशन में स्लो मोशन में
Good children. Yes.
प्यार हो तो आता है मजा नहीं शोषण में स्लो मोशन में आजा डूब जाओ तेरी आंखों के रोशन में स्लो मोशन में स्लो मोशन में स्लो मोशन में
It's a good time to see our little champs performance through skate Are You My Mother? Now I would like to invite senior KG students Jeevika, Mukta, Abhinav Verma, Dhanush, Drupad, Sanvi, Shedgunya, Yashwant, Akshit Reddy. Give them a big round of applause. This story is for reassuring children that we all have a mother who is looking out for us, even when she isn't with us every moment of the day. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. The action, conflict, and resolution would stem subsequent quests to find her again, struggling against all odds to make the family complete. The moral of the story is that offers a simple adventure, an opportunity to identify common animals, and a reminder that we all have a mother who loves us. I hope you all will enjoy the performance. Give them a big round of applause. The participating students are Yashwant, Mukta, Drupad, Jeevika, Sanvi, Akshet, Abhinav Verma, Vibisha, Shedgunya.
A mother bird sat on her egg. The egg jumped.
I must get something for my baby bird to eat.
Inside the nest, the egg jumped until out came a baby bird.
Where is my mother? I will go and look for her. I have to find my mother.
Out of the nest, he went down.
Are you my mother? No, I am a dog. I have sharp teeth. I will make a sound bow bow. I am not your mother. Are you my mother? No, I am a hen. I can't fly high. I will make a sound cluck cluck. I am not your mother. Are you my mother? No, I am a flower. I am petal. I am not your mother. Are you my mother? How could I be your mother? I am a cow. I have horns. I will make sounds moo moo. I am not your mother.
The baby bird stopped to think.
Are you my mother? No, I am a tree. I have leaves and branches. I am not your mother. Are you my mother? No, I am a clam. I have way of yours. I live in the water. I am not your mother. I have a mother. I know I do. I will find her. I will.
Just then, the baby bird saw a big animal.
Are you my mother? No, I am an elephant. I have a big trunk. You are looking so little. I am not your mother.
The elephant takes the baby bird right back in the tree with the help of trunk. The baby bird was home.
I know who you are. You are not a dog or a hen or a crab. You are not a cow or an elephant. You are a bird. And you have a beak like me. And you have a wings like me. And you are my mother. I am your baby. I love you, Mom.
Now again we have a dance performance by junior KG children. Now I would like to call upon the stage the junior KG children Samanvi, Saurabha, Nivriti, Srilekha, Anvika, Megha, Gaurav, Arav Krishna, Jaydar, Vishan, Nainish, Vishwateja, Hemanpreet to perform on a famous and beautiful actress Sridevi Retro song Elluvache Godaramma. Please give a big round of applause. Now we start with the performance. Start. Children ready? Sound. Sound.
వచ్చి గోదారమ్మ ఎల్లా కిల్ల పడ్డారమ్మో ఎన్నెలొచ్చి నెల్లు పూలే ఇంటికి నీళ్ళయ్యేనమ్మో కొమ్ము చాటు అందారని పేరంటారే చేస్తుంటే ఒలమ్మో రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోకాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైన నీ ఓడు ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోకాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైన నీ ఓడు కళ్ళకున్న ఆ కళ్ళలోన అందాల విందమ్మ నువ్వు వాటేసుకుంటే వందెల పంట వద్దంటే విందమ్మ నవ్వు చెయ్యేస్తే చేమంతి బుగ్గ చెంగావి గన్నేరు మొగ్గ చెయ్యేస్తే చేమంతి బుగ్గ చెంగావి గన్నేరు మొగ్గ గుండెల నీ తోడులో ఊపిరాడు ఎన్నెల చిరెలు పూలే ఎండే గిన్నెలయ్యేనో ఓలమ్మో రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మా సోకాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైనా నీ ఓడు
Wow, children, wow, super beautiful performance by our little ones. Give them a big round of applause. Now we have a group photo.
Performance by our little champs. Now I would like to request our junior KG students to perform on Coca-Cola. On this song, performing students are Anvita, Kanishka, Pranay Tej, Vibhisha, Lakshmi Jayanti, Anish, Gargeyi, Advika. Give them a big round of applause.
खिंच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती में से भर के तैयार की खिंच खिंच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार वर्गा बंदियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा की तलवार वर्गा बंदियां नू सूली उत्ते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा की तलवार वर्गा
Encourage children parents by clapping.
I love you पहले बोले तो बोतल के लिए मैं पै जब रोला यू के सारे तुझे बोले कोका कोला तू
ना समझ तू कोका कोला मैं तो विस्की दी बोतल मेरा एक सिप ही है काफी होने तो ना शॉट होता रुकना मना है मुझे भी ले जरा आ तू कोका कोला तू
Performance of the day. See, some songs are like we just listen to them and forget. Some are like we feel like dancing, and some are like we will again and again go back and go back and go back and listen. This is one such song which you all will definitely like, and we really don't mind if you can stand in your places and dance. Now we have a performance from our junior KG on the dance number Butta Bomma Butta Bomma. Now I would like to see the energy of you parents, okay? Yes, I will see from here if at all you are dancing from your places. I would like to call upon stage the junior KG students, Shri Pragya, Moksha Shri, Ritvika, Sai Bhargavi, Ananya, Pavanashri, Adviti, Yuvan Sai, Mokshit, Pratik, Anvit Sai, Advik, Sitaram, Anuttama, Abhiram performing for the song. Now let's see if you are going to dance or our children are going to rock. Okay parents? I cannot listen any sound from you. Yes, this is the energy we are expecting out from you. Now let's see if you are going to rock the floor or our children are going to rock the dance floor. Sound has to be high.
పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ ఎంతన్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చుతుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలివు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎప్పుడా ఎదురు చూడి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివు హరి దేవుడా నన్ను చేరదీస్తువే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మ చెట్ట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అట్ట బొమ్మ చెట్ట కట్టుకుంటివే లోని ఆడియన్స్ లాగా మానుకున్నా గానీ అమ్ము లోన గంటనగా జరిగిందే నమ్ము దిమ్మ తిరిగి నా డిమాండ్ సిమ్ము
To come forward for the group photo.
Please take your children that who are in junior KG. Then we can continue our joyful performances. Dear audience, come from left side. This side.
त्रयंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकं कविवन्दनात् मुक्ष्यामृतात्। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि महाप्रभा विघ्नं कुर्वे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम राम वरानने।
Now we have senior KG performance with the medley Mind Block with Dang Dang. Mind Block with Dang Dang. Now I'd like to call upon stage the kids, the senior KG kids, Ananya, Shrestha, Joshna, Rishika, Mokshita, Rakshan, Arush, Sampreet, Jashwant and Fahad to perform on medley Mind Block and Dang Dang. Now see parents, these children will block your minds with the song Mind Block. Start the dance performance. Start.
ఏంటి అన్ని కొట్టమని డబ్బు నువ్వు కొట్రా మూన్ వాక్ పిల్ల నీ నరక చూస్తే మూన్ వాక్ ఎర్త్క్వేక్ పిల్ల నీ తాకుతుంటే ఎర్త్క్వేక్ నీ లిప్పులోన ఉంది కప్పు కేక్ మాటలోన ఉంది మిల్క్ షేక్ సొక్కులోన ఉంది కొత్త స్టాక్ నువ్వు హత్తుకున్న పూత రేక్ ముట్టుకుంటే జారదామ రాక్ మనసు నెర్ర చేసి తమల పాకు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బామోని వాసులకు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ నువ్వే పచ్చపేస్తా మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బామోని వాసులకు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ మైండ్ బ్లాక్ నువ్వే పచ్చపేస్తా మైండ్ బ్లాక్ బాబు నువ్వు సూపి ఏంటి అని ఊదమని పీపి నువ్వు వదరా dang 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 dang
let's party, 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 make it stronger. Put the power life longer. Let's party, party, party with the song. Put the power life longer.
Performance is going to be one more energetic performance. I hope you will again love this song because this is the song of your age group. In fact, our age group. So, yes, it is Danchave Menatta Kutura. Again, now I will see how many of you are going to dance for this dance again. This is again a medley performance performing by our students Mukta, Jivika, Shadgunya, Sanvi, Akshit, Abhinav, Yashwant and Drupad. Parents, please welcome them with a big round of applause. I am not able to hear you. You have to shout. I am expecting some whistles, claps, everything from you.
And it's a medley song, Tilana Tilana and Danchave Menatta Kutura.
Yes. 2706 car number. Yes, parents, you also should dance now.
Tilana tilana na kasi kallakuna chik chik chindai annana.
Yes.
Tilana tilana na kasi kallakuna chik chik chindai annana. Muttu salakina adi enta chindadaina chak chak ichai annana. Tilana tilana
na kasi kalla chik chik chindi annana
muttu salakina
adi enta chindadaina chak chak ichai
Yes, now I'll see if you're going to dance or not. Yes, now it's your time. Yes. Such an energetic performance. Yes, parents, hope you all liked it.
Thank you for your energetic performance. Now I request senior KG student be ready with the skit. The skit theme is about the army. They are the reason why we are sleeping in peace. They are the ones who is fighting to keep us safe. They are the ones who sacrificing their lives for our country. They are the real heroes. We take the opportunity to salute our national heroes who work for us in a tough situation. Now, I call upon stage senior KG children, Rakshan, Rudransh, Manish, Fahad, Sampreet, Kartikeya, Jeshwan, Manasvi, Pramoksha, Ishita to perform the army skit. Parents, give a big round of applause. This is the skit which gives us so much of inspiration how our army soldiers are doing.
बड़े दिनों के बाद घर से कोई पार्सल आया है। किसकी चिट्ठी है भाई? चिट्ठी तो माँ की है। तुम्हें भी प्रैक्टिस ना? ठीक है। लिखती है मेरे प्यारे लड्डू। लड्डू माँ बिना हमारे बारे में कुछ लिखा भी है नहीं। पढ़ता हूँ तेरी दूरी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती। तू कब आएगा? तेरे लिए बेसन के लड्डू भेजे। मामा अकेले मत करना, तुमको भी देना। और बस यार आगे पढ़ने पाओ। तुम लोग मिठाई खाओ।
మీ స్కిట్ తర్వాత మీద పర్ఫార్మెన్స్
Yes, clap children, clap parents.
నా బ్యాగ్ ఏది? నా బ్యాగ్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు?
तो यही है वो जगह जहाँ पे मेरा बेटा फरीदा, आशा, मैडम, आप वहाँ नहीं जा सकते, हमारी सरहद यहीं तक है। बेटा, माँ के लिए कोई सरहद नहीं होती, वैसे ही जैसे धरती के लिए कोई देश नहीं होता। आओ बहन।
లేదు అసలు నార్మల్ అంతే ఈ డ్రెస్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు ఓకేనా బాగా షేప్స్ మంచిగా నెక్ పైరా లిప్స్టిక్ మంచిగా
अभिषेक ये चाहता था इसकी सबसे प्यारी चीज, इसके सबसे अच्छे दोस्त कौन है? हमारे बच्चों की ये दोस्ती इन सरहदों से परे है, ये काबिल तारीफ है। उसका भी यही बात है।
हम सबकी देवी धरती बनाई थी और मोहब्बत के दुश्मनों ने इस पर लकीरें खींच के सरहदें बनाई।
ऊपर नीला आसमान, नीचे खुली जमीन, बुलंद हौसले हैं,
मानवी कवर इधेगा
तो क्यों इतने हम क्यों बने हैं महबूब? जय देश या जय जगत, जय जगत, जय जगत, जय जगत।
Jai Hind. Good children, good performance. Now group photo.
I am telling you, if you are leaving, you are going to miss it. And trust me, there's some surprise. Now we have only 2 performances.
Now again it's a senior KG children performance. An Akkiyon se Goli Mare. I call upon senior KG students Shaista Nas, Ananya, Shrestha, Mokshita, Rishika, Joshna, Aradhya, Shreyansh, Nihal, Nagavidit, Namrat, Arush to perform on the song Akkiyon se Goli Mare.
Start the song.
बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, अखियों से हाय हाय गोली मारे, बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, हाय गोली गोली मारे, बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, अखियों से हाय हाय गोली मारे, बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, हाय गोली गोली मारे।
काजल वाली फूल लगती है, हर को लेंस लगा के गोरे गोरे फूल लगती है। किया है जादू दुनिया, हुआ बेकाबू नखरे कमाल है, अपने दीवाने का करके बुरा हाल नहीं, अखियों से गोली मारे, अखियों से गोली मारे, रंगी को मार की अखियों से गोली मारे,
अखियों से गोली मारे, लड़का कमाल है, अखियों से गोली मारे।
बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, अखियों से हाय हाय गोली मारे, बेबी मेरी हाय हाय गोली मारे, हाय गोली गोली मारे।
that's really such an amazing performance. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. So here we have our last performance of the day. Last performance of the day. So this time though you should definitely stand in your places and dance, okay? Okay? Okay, fine. Now we have our senior KG students performing on the dance number Ramulo Ramula song. Okay, parents? This is the last performance of the day, in fact the year as well. We have our students Mukta, Sanvi, Shatgunya, Jeevika, Binav, Dhruv, Akshit and Yashwant performing on this dance number. Now you can totally give up your energy in this dance. Okay? Ready, parents? I'm not able to hear you. No, not enough for us. Okay, thank you so much, parents. Ready? Start.
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా. ఈ డిక్ చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం. బంటూ గానికి 22 బస్తుల మస్తు కట్అవుట్ బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు కిక్కే సాలక ఓ నైటు ఎక్కి డొక్కు బుల్లెట్ సందుల మందు కోసం ఎతుకుతాంటే రూటు సిల్కు షీరగట్టుకోని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు బొట్లంగట్టిన బిర్యానీకి బొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమావ సుక్కదాగక చక్కరొచ్చెరో చిరుమంగమ్మావ చిక్క లెక్క దుంకుతుంటరో ఆ సందమావ చుక్కి జాలి సిక్కుకుందిరో నా నిల్లుకు మావ రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసిందిరో
బాబు నువ్వు చెప్పు
ఏంటి
అన్ని కొట్టమని డబ్బు
నువ్వు కొట్రా
लाखों का तैयारों ने एक ना कर तू मनमानी सुनो कल रात की कहानी पीली रेड वाइन में पुरानी लाखों का तैयारों ने एक ना कर तू मनमानी मिली मुझे एक सारा कहती मेरे कोल सारा मुझको ये तू बता क्या तेरा दिल है लापता दिल चोरी सदा हो गया की करिए दिल चोरी सदा हो गया की करिए
On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patu lengi podi. On the floor baby, hit it hard baby, rock the party baby, patu lengi podi.
टकलिया तेरा बाप टकलिया
4960 car has blocked the other cars to go. I request the car owner to
or whatever strikes our ear, we keep dancing. So dance is there within us. Everywhere loves dancing. Everybody we have a dance master whom we are going to surprise him. This is the 5 years association of Ganesh Master with our school. So on that note, we would like to give him a small recognition. Ganesh Master, please. He has been teaching dances to our schools from past 5 years, and he has successfully finished the 5 years association with us. We are very happy to have him. Thank you so much, Ganesh Master. Sorry? Okay, dance master. Okka dance veyalani ma parents andaru korukuntunnaru. Meer em dance veyalanuntunnaro cheppandi. Please come. Song cheppandi. Okka dance ma andar kosam ma parents kosam please. Ramula. Okay, fine, done. Parents, anybody? Chudandi okka nimisham. ఇప్పుడు గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కోసం అని చెప్పి పిల్లలు రెడీ అవుతున్నారు. ఈ చిన్న గ్యాప్లో ఎవరైనా వచ్చి డాన్స్ వేయాలి అనుకుంటే వి ఆర్ మోస్ట్ వెల్కమ్. ఎనీబడి అలాంగ్ విత్ అవర్ డాన్స్ మాస్టర్. దుర్గా కమ్. మేడం, టీచర్స్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, ప్లే ద సాంగ్ ప్లీజ్. from now onwards, we are going to have an additional song which is only for parents. What do you say about that? Great. So right now, again, please be seated. We will continue with our graduation ceremony because these are the outgoing little ones we have for this year.
Graduation is a milestone in our life. Graduation is only a concept. In real life, every day you are graduate. Graduate is a process that goes on until the last day of our life. If you can grasp that, you will make a difference. Now, I would like to call upon stage senior KG students.
Rakshan. All senior KG students. Now, I call upon stage Banu sir to distribute the graduation certificates. Only one line.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the children for successfully completing their graduation, first phase of graduation. And from now on, they will be moving to the new life, new school, new teachers. Everything will be new to them. I wish them, all the children wants to visit our school, you please get them to our school. Please make them meet with us. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed the program. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, parents. Make sure that these memories are there for them for lifetime, because preschooling is something that which you cannot get back. From 1st to 10th, it is the same. So, but then preschooling is something which is very unique. So make sure all the memories last along with the children. So thank you so much, parents. I wish all the little ones all the very best. They did great this year. We really miss them. We really miss you all, parents. Thank you so much.